han skal bære tykke turister rundt i det varme sand. Desværre, El.
Det er okay. Diablo klarer den, for jeg har reddet ham.
Hvad har du?
Cow. Moo.
Monster High, Monster High. Freaky, chic and fly. Monster High, where student bodies live.
And that's what I'm offering to you. It all sounds great, but what's the prize? I'll tell you when the season is over.
We're really making a beautiful net.
As soon as we're done, we'll go to his hideout. Lila and Audrey will make him go out and...
A lot harder than I thought. Owning a pet is a huge responsibility, but I think I'm ready for it.
I think so too, Pumpkins.
Oh, does this mean we're getting a wolfhound?
We're getting a bunny.
Yeah.
Кошти, аби в кожного був дах над головою. І хоч Запорізька область щодня потрапляла під обстріли та авіаудари, вона забезпечила надійний тил ЗСУ, аби
I'm Giggs.